Hi everybody, I wanted to do a quick video on my conversion of my Harbor Freight lathe to variable speed. There's several videos out on the internet showing how to do this. All the ones that I could find had some sort of method for controlling the speed, either through a rheostat or even buying a new power supply speed control with a rheostat to control it. All of that costs a little extra money. You can do this 100% free with just the parts that you get from a treadmill. Treadmill is the easiest way. It's a DC motor, so it's a variable speed motor already by default. Very easy to do. Just take your treadmill apart. I found one on my local website for yard sales and got it free. Went and picked it up, took everything apart one afternoon, and then cut apart the back end where the motor lives. Motor and all the speed controls and everything are typically right there in the same place. There's my motor and speed control. And then what I did is I also, to make things a little simpler, is I rewired this right here. It's part of the thermal switch. That's a reset. I took one wire off of that and took it over to the power on the lathe and then ran it back to the motor. So now when I turn on that switch, it powers up the controller. And then there's where I control the speed of the motor. Got 10 settings for different RPMs, and I went over here and I made an RPM chart for each one. And the way you do that is use an RPM gauge. That'd be the only thing that you might have to buy if you don't have one already, and determine what each one of those steps are RPM wise. So now all you got to do is go to the wall, turn it on, start spooling. Spins up in a couple of seconds. Doesn't take terribly too long. There you go, 100% free. It does take a little bit of a weight because of the counterbalance. It takes a little weight for it to stop, or you can just put a little pressure right here and it'll stop it here pretty quick. Anyway, that's it. Hope that helps.